everyone, how you doing? My name is Valkta and we are continuing our series of Tekkit Legends. Today we will make something special and it will be something from the engineer's toolbox. As you see, I made the house a little bigger. It still looks like shit, but I made it bigger because we will need some space for the thing we will build. Also, I went mining and I killed a zombie and I got this head. And also, I got some ores because we will need some. I went to the nether too. So, let's begin. The thing we are going to build will need um, a modular socket. So, this is a modular socket. It it's from the engineer's toolbox, as you see, and it has EMC. So when we get one, it will be easy. Okay, so we need a bucket. Do we have a bucket? We have a bucket of water. Okay, so okay. Oh, another thing I saw and I learned is that you don't have to drop it here. You can just place it here and it will learn it and you can get it back. Yeah, so let's see if we have a chest. No, we don't have a chest. Then we will get 8 planks to make one. Okay, we will put it here so that it learns it. An electronic circuit, gold nuggets, and redstone. So we will need redstone, 3 redstone, and gold. Yes. So I think it was like this. Nope. Oops. Okay. We'll drop this here. We'll learn this. We need it. What else? Power. Oh, we need quartz and gold nuggets again, and redstone. So redstone we have, gold nuggets we have. Okay, I messed up. One more redstone. Um, and quartz we also have. Yep. So if I remember, it was like this. Oops. Yep. We'll also drop this here and learn it. And a machine thing. Yep. We can make it with tin and gold nuggets. So 10 for 10 and gold nuggets, 2 more. Like this if I remember. Oops. Oops. Nope. I don't remember. Okay. We'll drop it also so it learns it. And now we have to make it. Oh, also if you when you show this up, if you click this button, it will automatically show up on the project table and you can get it. And we can learn it. And after that we can take one more because we will need two. So after we made that, we will need um socket remote. Yes, here it is. Oops. So we'll need an electronic circuit, we already have one. We'll need a blank module, which is kinda easy, I think. I don't I don't remember having any sand. Oh, we have sand. Okay, I am a little ill. Sorry for that. We'll get some charcoal like that. We'll need an ender pearl. So let's get our philosopher's stone. We don't have any, but I'll show you how we can make iron. Yep, we will take some iron, and if I remember, it was something like this. Yep, so we got it. I'll leave this here. We'll learn it, and no, we don't have cactus. We don't have green, and that's a problem. Mm, we have lapis. We have poppy, which will make rose red dye. We'll learn it. Um, but oops, but I don't remember having any cactus on this. Oh, okay, so it's dark. Mm, I'll go to sleep and I'll go find the cactus. And when I find one, I'll come back to the video. Bye for now. Hello again, guys. Well, that was a long journey. Look where I have gone. I went from here down to there to there. I found a village to there until I found this biome, sand for cactus, and I've even found a castle thing. When I went back and back, I found another village, but I didn't take the items from it, and I went back to here. It was like an hour playing and doing stuff. So let me just throw some of these stuff, which I can't. Okay, never mind. We'll just put them in the chest. Uh, 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 like that. Okay, nice. So we are going to learn it. We are going to bake some. Oops, wait. We're going to bake some. Eh, damn it. Okay, so nice. And we are going to make this blank module. Hopefully, we need to dust. Oh, I found a rolling machine too. Red, green, blue. Okay, so first let me learn it. So red, green, blue. This, 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 this. Okay, nice. We're going to learn this thing too and drop all this stuff. So let's make the socket remote. Let's learn it too. Next thing we will need will be a solar panel, two of them. So we'll need an energy input, which is easy to make. Volt nuggets, and like this, we got an energy input. We'll learn it. We'll also need a power magnet. We have that. Is it learned? Yes, this. And daily sensor, which is glass, glass. 1, 2, 3. Wood. It's swaps, but I'll get the wood first, of course. We'll learn this too. And what else? Was it quartz? Yes, I remembered. Okay, so now when we click it, oops, no, yep, we will get a daily sensor, and we'll put it here, and we will need, I think that's enough, maybe, or maybe not. We will see. Okay, got a solar panel. We'll drop it here, learn it, take one more. Um, okay, so we have this. We'll need an item. What was the name? An item extractor. So, where did it go? We need a hopper, which is just a chest and iron. So, learn it. A trapdoor. Um, you see how the recipes are pretty simple. You can make them very easy. So almost everything is from blank modules. We'll learn it. We'll take one more. Nope. Okay, and we will need a machine output, which is this thing. So here is how we make it: a hopper again, a dispenser, and I don't think I have a bowl, but I hope I have. Yes, I have string. Okay, so we'll make a bowl like this. Oops. We will learn it, of course. Okay, a hopper, and we should make the dispenser from, oops, redstone and cobblestone. Oops, cobblestone like that much, maybe. Yes. Okay, we will learn it, and we will make our machine output. We will put it here, learn it, take one more, take this back, and the final thing we will need is glowstone and some chests. 3 chests will be enough. So let me show you how this is going to be done. You put, oh wait, we will need a wrench. Wrench. We will need this wrench, which is 3 iron and a button. So that means we'll need stone and one more iron. Okay, so let me tell you something important. When you go and try to mine this thing, it will say that you can mine it with a pickaxe, but if you mine it with a pickaxe, you will break it. So the best thing is with a wrench, you can remove the machine outputs and stuff. So we place the other thing here, and we put a machine output here and here, item extractors here, and we want, oh why, wait, we forgot the most important things. We have to make a furnace, which is bricks. Okay, do we have clay? Yep, we'll get a stack of it. We'll get some charcoal, a stack again. I almost forgot. That was the most important thing. Okay, never mind. We will learn it. We'll get a stack of it. We'll make bricks. We'll learn them too. We'll get a stack of them too. We'll throw this back. So, how you make a furnace? Very simple. We'll need a normal furnace. Cobble. We'll get a stack of cobble. So we make a furnace. What else is it? Okay, put this here, and okay, nice, good, good. And we will need what was it? Well, I forgot the name. That's bad. Let me find it over here, if I can. Um, a grinder. Yes, here it is. So we'll need this stuff. Very easy to make, I think. Well, it needs a diamond, but let me write it. Grinder. So needs a power management device. Some of that emeris, yep, and a diamond and a blank module. Yeah, a blank module. So we make it like this, and we put the diamond and the power magnetic device. Okay, good. So we put the furnace here, we put the grinder here, and we put the solar panels on top. We will need also two glowstone. We got it. So when we put the glowstone and the solar panel, you see that it's making RF. You don't need sunlight, you need just glowstone. It's like sunlight, so that the solar panels make energy. When you have the remote, you should click shift like this and right click until it goes green, and then you should click with the right button once here so that goes green, one one time here and two times here so that it goes to the tint. Yeah, you should click one time here and two times here again. We will put an extractor over here too, but first let me show you what the first thing does. So we'll put a chest here. When you get an ore, like maybe copper, when you leave it here, it will get sucked by this machine and it will use energy so that it makes it into you'll see now. So here it goes, ground native copper ore. It will make it to this, and when we remove this chest, so the first machine grinds the items, and this machine will have to put the item extractor, and again one time with the right button, put a chest here. When we put the copper ore, the ground native copper ore, it will get sucked by this furnace, and it will make it, now you will see, it will make it into 2 copper. The whole point of this machine is that from 64 copper ore you can get like 2 stacks, you can get 2 stacks of copper ingot, and you can do it with all of your stuff. It will go from this chest sucked into this, made into ground ore, then placed into this chest sucked from this furnace, and it will see it. It will come 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, and yeah, this for today. The next episode maybe we will make the same thing but with industrial craft. This was the engineer's toolbox, and thank you for watching. So see you later, guys. Bye.